welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to mute and unmute YouTube videos. So the first thing we have to do is open a YouTube video on our browser. So I've opened up a YouTube video on my Chrome browser. So the mute and unmute, we have two methods. One method is on the YouTube play bar on the bottom, you'll see this voice icon. And by clicking on mute, we can mute. So now the video is muted. And if we want, we can also click it again to unmute. So this is how you mute and unmute using the YouTube player. Another option you can also use is by using the shortcut and pressing on M. So you see when I press on M, it is muted. And to unmute, you press M again. Another option that you also have is go to the top bar on the tab and then right click. And then if you scroll down, you can see the option to mute site. So you can mute it using this method as well. This will unmute the site even though YouTube player may be unmuted. To turn this off, what you can do is right click on the tab again and click on unmute site. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.